Hi, welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Mexico, so we will be going through this agenda. Agenda, compliance documents. Why does my proof of tax keep being rejected? Why does my Infonavit credit document keep being rejected? What do I need to do with the employment subsidy compliance document? What do I need to do with the ergonomic chair purchase receipt compliance document? What do I need to do with the work equipment purchase receipt compliance document? Reporting leaves. What should I do if I am issued a medical or maternity leave? Bank account change. Why did my payment get rejected? Expenses and reimbursements. How do I invoice? What do I do with my expenses and reimbursements? Benefits. How can I get more benefits? Salary, PTO days, Christmas bonus, etc. Health insurance. I had another health insurance. What should I do? Compliance documents. Proof of tax. When uploading the proof of tax, please make sure that it contains your full name, your RFC, an active or reactivated status, your current address in the regime, sueldos y salarios e ingresos asimilados a salarios. Infonavit. If you don't have this credit, you will need to sign the document on our platform that states so. To notify us of your Infonavit credit, you need to upload the document called Aviso para Retención de Descuentos, which must include your full name and the deduction amount, percentage, or factor. Remember that any issues related to your Infonavit or Fonoquote credit must be reviewed directly with the institutions. Deel will only comply with the government's requests. Employment subsidy. Even if you do not earn $9,081 MX POUM gross per month or less than that, you need to sign the document on our platform. Ergonomic chair purchase receipt. Please upload the receipt of your ergonomic chair's purchase. If it is an invoice, the invoice needs to be in your name, not Deel's. If you didn't purchase it, please upload a picture of the item. Work equipment purchase receipt. Please upload the receipt of your work equipment's purchase computer. If it is an invoice, the invoice needs to be in your name, not Deel's. If you didn't purchase it, please upload a picture of the item. Always make sure you keep the following compliance documents up to date: proof of tax, proof of address, Infonavit, and Fonoquote, if applicable. In case you change your bank account, you will need to edit your bank details on the platform. Please see the examples on the presentation. Reporting leaves. Report your time off and leave in a timely manner on the platform under the section Time Off, following these recording examples. Remember, we won't know about your PTO, personal, paternity, maternity, or medical leaves, if you don't register them on our platform. Bank account. Please make sure your bank account doesn't have a limit deposit. Call your bank and make sure you can receive more than what you earn per month. If not, your payments won't go through. Expenses and reimbursements. Please do not invoice anything under Deel's entity. Every invoice should be to your name or the client's name. Make sure to upload them all and get them approved before we proceed with your salaries payment or your last payment. For more information, see these recordings. Benefits. If you want to receive an extra benefit, salary, PTO days, Christmas bonus days, etc., or see a mismatch between your contract with Deel and what the client offered, please reach out to the client directly and flag it. Remember, Deel pays what the client asks us to. Health insurance. If the client offered interest as health insurance and you had another health insurance provider before Deel, please send your antiquity letter to our broker. If the client offered Alianza's health insurance and you had another health insurance provider before Deel, you don't need to send us any evidence. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel. We hope this information was helpful to you and your onboarding journey.